There's a ton of great features that make the cordless QuikStrap Cable Stapler one power tool you really need to have on the job. It's loaded with design and operating features that electricians said they wanted most in a high-performance cordless cable stapler. There's a lot you're going to like about the new QuikStrap Cable Stapler. Let's check it out. Patented flash capacitor technology enables firing a staple every 1.5 seconds. Variable depth control with infinite settings make it easy to adjust the drive force for different cable sizes and hardnesses of wood. Two powerful 16-volt lithium-ion batteries for long operation and quick cycle times. 400 staples can be shot per battery charge. The cable guide and safety switch prevent cable damage. The staple sight window provides an easy-to-see indication of how many staples are available. The LED indicates current status. Reloading is fast and easy. The QuikStrap Cable Stapler can hold 90 staples when fully loaded. A reversible belt hook for right or left-handed use. Lightweight, compact design. Weighs just 5.5 pounds. Durable, impact-resistant, molded plastic housing. The cordless QuikStrap Cable Stapler can easily lay all common residential cable and wire in seconds, such as 14.2, 14.3, 12.2, 12.3, 10.2 and 10.3, Cat5, speaker, coax, MC, FMC, and AC. The QuikStrap Cable Stapler has a 2-year limited warranty, and we offer a next business day service policy to keep you on the job.